just shifted. I think it's coming this way now.
You can tell it's coming this way. You can see over the tops of trees.
Oh.
The clouds are coming this way.
It looks nasty. What worries me is all those drooping clouds. It's about to get pretty bad. What's the weird thing is blue. It's going right over us. Should have put my EV down a little bit.
What?
Should have put my EV down. It makes it brighter or darker. It's a little bright on here. Oof, it is black out there. Yeah, it's blue over there. Oh, like a.
Well, I don't see any rotation in any of it. They're all straight.
That's weird. Those clouds right there are going that way. Did it just shift again? Those clouds are going that way now. I guess it's two sets and two winds or something. That's not good. Man, this nasty thing going over us and we ain't getting nothing but a couple of drops. Ugh, feel sorry for when it lets out. Because it's going to be hailing whenever it lets out. Yeah, weird look to these clouds. All bumpy. Big water drop went right in my ear. I'm just worried about the detail of it all looking like that. The one and only time I remember hail when it was outside was it was bumpy, like bumpy looking like that. And it was orange cloud. Starting to rain. Straight line cloud right there. Looks more threatening in person than it does on camera. Looks just gray on the camera.
Cameras can never pick up exactly what things look like.
Some of them get pretty damn close.
If you get a $10,000 professional camera, yeah.
Wonder if it's going to be a dud or a good one. I don't know.
Yeah.
Clouds getting heavy.
You can see the wall, the straight line over there.
That's what already passed. There's only a couple raindrops in it. I'm waiting for the hail if we're going to get any. 70% chance.
It's going to get a lot worse when I'm off over. This is just the start.
Rain's coming in. Ooh, the cold air is coming in. It's just gray clouds. They don't look good though. It's always the front line that looks the worst. Yet it usually don't even do nothing but just go right over and give a couple drops.
Because it wasn't pushing a lot of wind in front of it. It's getting a little windy now. Here comes the rain.
Storm's moving fast. The front line's all the way down there past the park.
Like I said, it's moving at almost 50 miles an hour.
Damn.